Ground and go. What to expect. You may have watched previous videos of mine and you may feel that something is missing. And that's true. What's missing is the people in front of me that I work with. And a very dear friend of mine, all the way from Australia, sent me a picture and told me to feel and to remember. And suddenly it just made sense. Like 24 hours later, it made sense. What the picture represents is the energy I feel when I work with people. It's energy of light, it's energy of joy. And maybe you feel a different energy from me now because I'm there. I'm remembering how it is when I work with people. Because I connect with them. And then everything starts to flow. I know exactly what to say, I know exactly what to share, I know exactly what to ask. And that's when things happen. It's when people who came just to relax have a breakthrough, are able to rebuild the relationship with a child, are able to let go of a very painful past, are able to see in a world full of chaos the amazing opportunity that's right in front of them that they were unable to see because of all the crap that happened, because their country was destroyed, because the house doesn't exist anymore. People who were completely lost found purpose again. In Ground and Go, and I've been repeating every time, it's going to be live. I'm not even sure I'm going to record it because I want the people to experience in the moment, to feel what's for them, for those who are present. And yeah, we're going to start with a short meditation, but even during meditations, I never know how the meditation is going to go until I'm sitting there with the people for whom I'm doing the meditation. Once I was with a group of 26 women, and it was a basic relaxation meditation. At a certain moment, while the relaxation was, the technique was to go different parts of your body and feel how do you have tension and then release it. I stayed for 20 minutes. Well, originally the meditation was about to be 10 minutes. 20 minutes just focused on their genitals, on their sexual organs. Because there was so much trauma in that room of sexual assault, sexual abuse, and shame, and many negative beliefs, false beliefs, they had to be cleared out. And they didn't expect it. I didn't expect it. But I felt it, so I went with it. Words were just coming out of my mouth. That's how it goes. I don't think. It's just happening. And they were so happy afterwards. At the end of the workshop, they were like, phew. And so doing Ground and Go with me means you're going to have experiences that you will not expect, and you will see a change in your life. You will learn to deal with the different problems that you have on your path. You will learn to reduce your stress levels, learn to manage the stress that you still have. You will learn to look at life from new angles, which will make it easier for you to move forward, to see how what is happening is not happening against you, but is happening for you. And the rest is just for you to experience. So click that link if this is what you're looking for, to be surprised, to have fun, and to experience much more joy in your life. Like, subscribe, and share.